Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare PostgreSQL JSON versus JSONB. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two data types, helping you understand when to use each. JSON stores an exact copy of your input text, preserving every detail like whitespace and key order. In contrast, JSONB stores data in a decomposed binary format, optimized for efficient processing and querying. By the end, you'll know which is better for your specific database needs, ensuring optimal performance and data integrity. The JSON data type in PostgreSQL acts much like a simple text field. It stores an exact, raw copy of your input, meaning all whitespace, the original order of keys, and even duplicate keys are preserved. While this might seem beneficial for precise text representation, it comes with a performance trade-off. Every time you query or operate on JSON data, the system must reparse the entire text, which can be less efficient, especially with larger documents or frequent operations. 1.2.12. JSON, often referred to as JSON Better or JSON Binary, stores data in a highly optimized, decomposed binary format. This means it's significantly faster for querying, indexing, and manipulating data because no reparsing is needed for each operation. While JSON does not preserve whitespace or the exact order of object keys, and it removes duplicate keys, these trade-offs enable powerful features like GIN indexing. This makes it ideal for applications requiring frequent data interaction and complex searches, despite a slightly slower initial insert due to conversion. 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. So, which one should you choose? For the vast majority of applications, JSON is the clear winner. Its binary format and support for advanced indexing, like GIN indexes, provide significantly faster query performance and greater flexibility for data manipulation. Only opt for JSON if you have a very specific need to preserve the exact textual representation of your data, including whitespace and key order, perhaps for logging or auditing purposes. Otherwise, embrace JSON for a more efficient and powerful PostgreSQL experience. 1, 2, 4, 10, 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.